just did a hike up from the top of the Prospector Chair, Telluride, here at the Quail area. It's basically as far as you can go. And it's a pretty gnarly drop in, but it's been pretty nice snow quality the last couple days. So if we fall, we'll get powdery wipeout. So let's try it out. Oh, man. Whoa, this powder is insane. Oh my god. It's Calor here, just calling my name. Oh, definitely kind of rocky, bit difficult to turn in, but doable. Oh my god. GoPro unfortunately decided to be wonky right now. Hopefully can get a couple more turns in, show you just how crazy this powder is. It is tough to turn it. Whew. But great. Definitely worth the hike.